Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have the CatLadyBox. I'm going to try to get Miss Cali Cat to come in here and open this with me. If you don't know what the CatLadyBox is, they send you 3 to 4 items, cat-related items, super cute. Normally one of them is some kind of shirt, sweatshirt, t-shirt, things like that. You can get kitchenware, you can get home decor, vases, bags, all kinds of different stuff, cat related, very cute. They have 2 different sizes of boxes. They have the CatLadyBox, which is $34.99 a month. It's got those 3 to 4 items in it, and then that's it. Or you can get this box, which is the Crazy CatLadyBox. It has those same 3 to 4 items in it, plus 2 kitty items, like 2 kitty toys. It is $39.99 a month, and that's what I get, and I love it, and my cats love the toys. Oh my goodness, y'all, they love the toys. Matter of fact, I've got a video of Bonnie playing with one of the toys I keep meaning to put on as a short, and I just hadn't done it yet. I kind of fell off the short wagon. I need to get back on it, but y'all know there's been a lot going on. All right, so here's what it looks like inside the box. Look at the art. One of the things I love about this company is that they do give back. Part of their proceeds every month go to rescues and things like that for kitties. And they also feature a new artist each month. Look how adorable that is. These are big enough you could frame them and set them around your house. And I was kind of thinking about doing that and making a whole collage wall of CatLadyBox postcards. I think it would be super cute, but I don't know if I'll actually do it. So the artist here is Jamie Moss Wise at Moss Rose Art. She said, I'm a farm-grown, self-taught artist. Moss Rose Art is named after my grandparents who owned the land in Tennessee where I grew up. A land that seems to be flooded with sunshine wrapped in green tendrils. My watercolors and drawings are infused with childlike whimsy and imagination. 2 things we need a lot more of in this world. You can see her artwork at etsy.com/shop/Moss Rose Art. I will put that below so you can see it, and I want to check her out. She is from Tennessee, which, you know, that's where my parents live. I love that. I like her values already. Oh my goodness. So they tell you on your card who they donated to the previous month. So last month they donated to Apollo Support and Rescue for Cats, Prima Animal Care Center, Silver Whiskers Feline Rescue, and the Cat Association of Topeka. So that is who they sent donations to last month. This month's theme is Meowy Spring. Next month's theme is going to be feline, what is it? No, Feral and Fabulous. It was Feral and Fabulous. I thought that was cute. So this is Merry and Spring. And then it tells you, you know, what I got. So I'm going to go get Callie. I'll be right back. She says, oh, Mom, I was taking my cat nap. Look, Callie Cat. You're not going to stay. She never stays. Kitty, what's in the box? Callie Cat, come here. So first cat toy. This is Perfect Rainbow Catnip Toy. Lucky kitties, their catnip at the end of the cute rainbow, valued at $4.99. She is not going to come on. She has been so not interested in the filming lately. Oh my goodness. Rubber ducky catnip toy. Your cats will go quacks over this catnip stuffed duck toy. $4.99. All these toys are handmade, by the way. And how cute is this little ducky? Cats don't perform on cue. We'll move on. Follow the Butterflies shirt. Aww. Follow your butterflies. How cute is that? That's adorable. Follow Your Butterflies shirt A sweet kitten to remind you that fluttery feelings can lead you to your dreams. $22.99. I get an extra large. They are whoops. They are a little big on me, but I like them like that. Because you don't always want to be like tight and, you know, like I am today. So I love the shirts. Love their shirts. Wear them all the time. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's an umbrella with kitties on it. Raining Cats umbrella. This is perfect for today. It's raining today. When it rains, it purrs. Turn drizzly days into perfect ones with this umbrella, valued at $22.99. Oh my good gracious, y'all. All right, let's not be superstitious, but I kind of am. Not supposed to open an umbrella in the house. But we gotta look at it. We gotta look at it. Hang on. Kylie's like, what? Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Hang on. That is adorable. I hope y'all can see because I can't see you. Oh my good gracious. That is too cute. I love it. It's going in my car. It's going in my car. Oh my goodness. The cuteness. $22.99. I think I said that, but it bears repeating. I could never roll an umbrella up properly. I'm stuck. Callie Cat, you need to come over here, Missy. You're being rude to all your fans. And I gotta get it back in here. This is adorable. I love it. I love it. All right, last thing in here. This is the Cat Lady Lunch Tote. Pack your snacks in this a meowsing, cheery, insulated lunch tote. It is a $16.99. And look how cute. Oh my good gracious. And insulated. Very cute. Little pocket up front. Adorable. Oh my goodness. My niece may steal this from me. Too cute. What did y'all think of the Cat Lady box? T-shirt, umbrella, a lunch box, and 2 kitty toys that I can't get my kitty to play with. Callie Cat. Come here, baby girl. Hey. I can't. I'm looking at the window. What about the rainbow? I just want to be in the window, Mom. You're showing them your booty. She is just ignoring me. Y'all, thanks for tuning in with us. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free and I appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to join in on the fun and donate to the cause, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks and leave me a tip through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G. I hope y'all have a wonderfully perfect day, and God bless.